check out all these cucumbers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we have harvested a lot of cucumbers from our garden, which can only bear the question, wow, what am I gonna do with all these cucumbers? Make pickles! So today I'm gonna show you how I make my famous spicy quick pickle recipe. I will also be sure to leave you a link in the description below for those of you who are interested in making this recipe at home. So the ingredients you're gonna need to make your quick pickles are our pickling solution. We've got some coriander, mustard seed, crushed red pepper, and then we're going to be using some fresh dill, and I have some habanero and garlic from the garden, and of course some delicious cucumbers. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our pickling solution, and this is what you'll need. 1 1/4 cups of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 cups of cold water. So we'll combine our vinegar, salt, and sugar in a small saucepan and put that up to high heat. We're going to whisk that until the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. Now we're going to transfer the liquid into a bowl and whisk in the cold water. After this, I can transfer it over to Tupperware, and then I will keep this in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. I do like to test my cucumbers while I'm doing this. Sometimes you can get bitter cucumbers from your garden, and that's never fun. So I just give it a little taste test. Make sure that's good. This is a good one. You can call your kids into the kitchen and make them do it. Hey Caleb, can you come taste this cucumber? Go ahead and give this a try and tell me what you think. Oh. So if you like to torture your kids, that's one way to do it. So we'll throw this guy out. Tossing 2 to 3 cloves of my fresh garlic into the jars, fresh dill, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of mustard seed, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and habanero peppers. And next, we're going to be adding in our cucumbers. And we're going to be packing these in pretty tightly. So don't be shy about making sure that they're in there nice and packed. I kind of like to tilt the jar as I'm going. That way I can see how much room I have left to fit these in there. Takes me back to my days of Tetris. There. All right, so all we have left to do is fill our jars with our pickling solution and put the lids on. All right guys, well just look at all of these homemade quick pickles. They are perfect for sandwiches, hamburgers, or even just by themselves. They're good for about 4 weeks, and as always, please don't forget to label your pickles so that way you know the date that you made them. So if you have a cucumber overload, pickle them up. It's a tasty way to enjoy your garden's bounty. As always, thank you for watching, and remember, when life gives you pickles, And as always, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that was. That was gross.